Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the VLC media player on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the VLC media player on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of the developer of VLC, since that's where we will download their app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the VLC media player on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, the app installer for VLC will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click the next button repeatedly to proceed. And once you reach this page, there you go guys, you will now see the install button, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your VLC media player installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using the app. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.